How to add event to your Facebook page. First, open Facebook. Then go to Profile. Then click on the Professional Dashboard option. Then go to the Event option. Then click on the Create Event option. Then name the event what you want to. Then select the date from which the event will start and end. Then select if the event is virtual or in person. Then add the details that you want to add. Then market your event and select the category for your event. Then add a co-host if you want to. Then add a ticket URL if you want to. Then add repeat frequency if you want to. Then choose the settings and permission you want to. Then click on Create Event. That is how you can create event to your Facebook page. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.